How to avoid common mistakes when generating AI images. So I'm over here in OpenArt AI. I'm gonna go to images. And also it doesn't matter which AI you are using, if it's OpenArt AI or Midjourney or any others. So the first thing is you need to be clear and specific with your prompt. So let me zoom in so you can see a bit more. So if I write something like draw a cat, which often leads to a low quality images. So how you fix it? Make sure to add details, okay? So like a pose, expression, style, lighting, background. So here is an example. I'm just gonna paste it over here. A realistic black cat sitting on a wooden table. Soft morning light, cinematic style. Okay, you can also change the model over here. I usually like to use this one, Seedream. The second thing is avoid overloading the prompt. So the mistake is writing extremely long. Complicated prompt can confuse the AI. So how you fix it? Keep prompt concise and descriptive. Focus on key elements. So instead of 3 long sentences, combine main ideas in 1 or 2 sentences, okay? Now again, the model style, when you select it, make sure it matches what you want. So if you want like a drawing one or cinematic or realistic, like this one, kind of cinematic, and then you give it a cinematic prompt, it's gonna be a better than if you're trying to make something realistic, like this one, photorealistic, and you are trying to give it a cinematic view. Okay, so make sure you pick the right model. The next step is avoid using low resolution outputs for final projects, because it can lead into blurry or pixelated images. So what do you do? Make sure over here, if you go output settings, you pick the resolution. You see it's only on 2K. Make sure pick the highest resolution, and it's gonna give you the highest quality resolution. And if you need more, you could go to image upscale and just upscale it even a better image. Next, when you're doing image to image or in-painting images using the references to upload images, make sure the image is high quality, not a blur one. So if you look at this one, this is a high quality image, not a blurry one. Because using blurry, low quality images can lead to poor results. So make sure upload clear, high quality images for the AI to do a better matching. The next mistake is when you generate, if I generate one image and it doesn't do a good job and you think this is it. No, make sure you generate multiple variation, tweak your prompt and combine the best results. Because if I generate now, let's say 4 images, one image can be better than the others. Now, the AI prompt often struggles with inconsistent perspective or lighting. So the tip is to mention lighting, direction, shadows, and camera angle in your prompt. Also avoid overusing special effects. Overloading with style keyboard like HDR, ultra detailed, 8K, cinematic, can sometimes make the image look unnatural. So make sure you can pick like 2, like over here I picked cinematic, because it's already in your model, right? So your model is cinematic, you're gonna tell him cinematic, and if you give him more, you're gonna overload the image style. And the last step is to review AI output before sharing, because if you're gonna post it somewhere directly without checking, it's gonna be a mistake. Always review, crop, or edit the AI output before publishing, especially for professional or viral content. So these are the common mistakes to avoid when generating AI images. Thank you for watching.